Hi people, you have seen me make the dough, you have seen me make the pizza on the peel. This is the pizza and it's going to be put in my uni oven behind me, and I will show you the whole process of baking and the final result, of course. First I will turn down the flames because otherwise it will be way too hot. So the flames are turned down now, the pizza is on the peel, you can see I can still move it around on the peel. And right now I'm going to shove it in my oven. As you can see already, it's puffing up on the back. You can already see the nice leopard spotting on the dough. You can see it's already having a nice color on the bottom. As you can see, it's finished. I've put the pizza on a wired rack to let it cool down a bit. You can see the color on the bottom. It has a nice color, not burnt, has some nice spots. I will let it cool down a bit and then I will let you know how it tastes. As you can see, here's the pizza. I'll cut it. Here you can see the dough. You can see it's airy. You can see it's really a nice pizza. I did my best. I hope you like it. And now I'm gonna taste it. Let me know if you make my pizza and what you like of the dough, the recipe. If you have any questions, just ask me. See you later.